So, ChatGPT says this method I'm going to share with you today is going to explode in 2026. And as you can see here on the screen, the potential with it of earning 70 grand a month sounds incredible. But we're going to break it down. I'm going to share with you everything about this method, and I'll also share with you some resources and other bits. So, let's dive into the method, and we're going to start with a headline, okay? So, let's switch over here. This was the headline that I saw. I built an app in 12 minutes. It hit number 10 on the App Store and made sales in day one. Day one. Sounds crazy. But here's the thing, okay? With this method we're looking at today, you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, you definitely do not need to be technical because AI does the whole thing for you. And it sounds too good to be true. But let's go back to the beginning when I said to you about ChatGPT and let's see ChatGPT's explanation of this. So you can see here, I asked why the app market is going to explode in 2026. And you can see on here, it gives us loads of reasons. So massive growth in consumer spending, long-term market expansion. I mean, look at that. By the end of 2030, 626 billion, there's continued growth, new tech. Now, this is the big thing, okay? New tech is driving this, i.e. AI. So something that would have taken you months and lots of money before to set up an app and create it, you can do it in literally less than 20 minutes nowadays using AI, and you just tell it what you want. It's incredible. And you can see on here, AI powered apps, especially assistants, automation tools, creative platforms are basically emerging every single day. And you can see on here, there's loads more reasons why ChatGPT is saying this is going to explode in 2026. Okay. So, if you like the idea of this and building your own passive income, let me share this with you. So this calculator over here is part of a training inside of this over here. Now this product is called Meelo App Empire, and this whole product is based around a case study which a guy called Demetrius set up. So this over here, I'll show you. This is the sales page for his product, okay? This is Demetrius. Now, what he did is he actually went through this whole process and created an app using AI. He documented it and it shows you everything that he's doing. And you can see on here, look, from zero to making sales in under 48 hours. The app is built within 12 minutes. Then we send it over to Apple, or you can send it over to the Google Play Store for it to be approved. And then on day one, he was making sales. He shows you how to do all of it inside of the training. It's incredible. It really is. So you can see here, this is the training and this is everything that is included in here. I'll show you inside the actual training. So let me come in here and I'll show you this. And you can see I have been through this training, okay? So this is it. So it shows you how to set this up. He shares with you proof of his own results, foundation of mindset, and then he goes into building this. So you can see that the platform revealed and complete mastery, how to build your first app, submitting it to the App Store. Then once we've submitted it, he then takes you through monetizing it and how to drive traffic over to the app. You can see, look, simple method instantly creates a funnel for your app. Then we're talking about monetization strategies. This is a really cool little category as well, okay? So if I scroll down here, you will see he gives you an overview of this method, the different ways you can monetize, because looking at this, you can monetize an app in excuse me, in 5 different ways. I didn't know you could do that. Originally, I thought, well, it'd just be in-app purchases, but it's not. You can even be earning with a freemium option, and you can see down here, look, freemium, and then it goes over all of the basics and other bits. But if we come up here and we look at the 5 different strategies, it breaks it down for you. Which one's got the highest revenue, passive income, recurring, one-time purchase, and also freemium. He's got little models in here. So finding the perfect one, and you've also got a revenue calculator in here. So you can go in and play around with this, put in your monthly users, put in, which method you're going to be focusing on. There's loads and loads of different ways you can do this. But for the price of this training over here, it's incredible. You can see here, look, all of the training. So if I go back over here to the home page, we'll scroll down a little bit as well so you can see this. We'll cover the monetization, scaling your empire, marketing this, so how to submit to Google Play, and then you can also see as well down here to help you get the most from this. There's also additional things included in here, so there's loads of bonuses in here. Now you can see on here, look, the App Store and screenshot templates. They give you templates. There's a monetization calculator spreadsheet included in here. There's also the Apple Store screenshot. There's so much included. As you can see, loads and loads of training in here. And I'll show you one last thing as well, and then we'll get off. The last thing I'm going to share with you is this as well. So if I scroll down the page here, if you go ahead and purchase this product, you also get all of these additional bonuses that I'm giving you to get the most from this method. So this is bonus number one. Look, 100 additional profitable app ideas. You get instant access to this. And we've got down here, in total, we have got 8 of these. We've got a roadmap. We've got a launch checklist. We've got an app monetization cheat sheet. We've got legal templates. We've even got a prompt pack for app building. We've got the checklist, this and this. And if you all you do is you simply, once you've purchased this, you get access to all of the training and these additional bonuses. And if you click on here, opens up in a new tab for you, and it's broken down into different categories. So you can see, look, productivity and organization. Scroll down, breaks it down in what category it goes in, the demand for this, how easy it is to get this built by AI for you, and then there's loads more in here. And that's just one of the bonuses with this product. But overall, in terms of this method, creating apps using AI for 2026, I like this method because after going through the training over here, where is it? No. Yeah, after going through the training here, it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. It's straightforward and simple. Just follow along with this. Use AI. Use all of the templates that he gives you in here. And it's not just written text as well. So you'll see here, this is Demetrius. Here is a live build of him doing the app using AI. He walks you through the whole thing. It's brilliant. It really is. And you can see on here, he even gives you your prompts to use for it depending on the category that you're going in. But overall, in terms of a method for earning online, and it is a faceless method because obviously you don't need to put your face on there. You're just building the app with AI. You're picking your category. You're then picking your monetization method and you're launching it in the App Store. And as you saw right at the beginning of this video, Demetrius, whose training this is, he set this up and within a day he was making money from this. In fact, let me see if I can show you the app, what he built as well. So again, it's all legit. And that's why I like it and I'm sharing this training with you because he's not a guru, he's a practitioner, he's someone who's actually doing this. And he tells you, his backstory about when he first set this up in 2012. But if we come down here, you can see, look, this is the app. So 48 hours after it was approved on the App Store, this is what happened. In the world, it was number 53 on all paid apps. And in the utilities, it was number 10. And that's his app down there, Aura Gratitude. So he's showing you everything about this whole thing. And there you go. There's his income coming in on day one. Bloody brilliant. So it takes, realistically, if you was to go ahead, go through the training is a couple of hours. It took me a couple of hours to go through the training over here because, as you can see, there's a lot of training in here. But it was just a case of go through the training, implement what it shows you, use the bonuses to get the most from this, and then submit it to either the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you can be earning a passive income online. It's brilliant. And ChatGPT says it's going to explode in 2026. So if you want to check out that training, I'll put a link to it down below for you. It'll take you over to my website. There's more information on there about the pricing and lots more stuff. But overall, what do you think? Is this a good method for earning online in 2026? I think so. I'll see you soon.